Did you know your kidneys filter nearly 150 liters of blood every single day? Yet most people damage them without even realizing it. And here's the shocking truth. 1 in 7 adults has kidney problems but doesn't know it because early symptoms are almost invisible. Today, you will discover 5 simple daily habits that can make your kidneys stronger, cleaner, and healthier for life. So stay with me until number 5, because most people skip it and regret it later. Your kidneys quietly protect your heart, your energy, and your entire metabolism. But modern diets, dehydration, and stress place a heavy burden on them every day. In this video, I will show you 5 daily kidney-strengthening habits backed by natural remedies, detox principles, and ayurvedic tips that support a powerful kidney cleanse. If you're trying to improve creatinine levels, boost GFR, or simply support lifelong kidney health, these habits will help you more than you think. Have you ever felt lower back heaviness or sudden fatigue during your day? Comment below if you've noticed any of these signs in your health. Habit 1. Start your day with hydration, not caffeine. Most people reach for tea or coffee immediately, but this silently stresses your kidneys. Your kidneys depend heavily on water to flush toxins, balance minerals, and maintain a healthy filtration rate. Studies show that even mild dehydration can reduce kidney cleansing efficiency by up to 25%. Start your morning with 300 to 400 milliliters of plain water or warm lemon water if you want a gentle detox boost. This simple habit supports natural kidney cleansing and helps prevent stone formation throughout the day. Do you usually drink water first or coffee first in the morning? Comment your routine below. Habit 2. Add 1 potassium-rich food to your daily diet. Here's a surprising truth. Your kidneys love potassium because it helps balance sodium and reduces fluid pressure inside the kidneys. This directly supports better filtration and lowers the burden on your kidneys. Foods like spinach, bananas, avocados, or sweet potatoes provide natural minerals that support kidney detox and reduce inflammation. But remember, if you have advanced kidney disease, always check potassium levels with your doctor. For most people, 1 potassium-rich food daily keeps the kidneys stronger and healthier. If you want more natural remedies, kidney cleanse foods, and Ayurvedic tips, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because it helps this important kidney health content reach more people who need it. Habit 3. Include 20 minutes of light movement daily. Did you know poor circulation slows down kidney filtration faster than aging? Your kidneys depend on good blood flow to filter toxins, balance minerals, and maintain your natural detox processes. Just 20 minutes of walking, stretching, or yoga can improve GFR and strengthen your kidneys. Research shows that moderate daily movement can reduce kidney disease risk by up to 30%. You don't need intense workouts. Gentle daily movement is enough to support strong and healthy kidneys. Habit 4. Reduce salt by just 1 teaspoon a day. Salt is one of the biggest kidney-damaging ingredients in most diets today. Too much salt makes your kidneys work harder, increases water retention, and raises blood pressure, one of the top causes of kidney damage. Reducing salt by only 1 teaspoon a day can dramatically lower kidney stress and improve filtration efficiency. Swap processed foods with home-cooked meals, use herbs instead of salt, and choose low-sodium snacks. This small daily habit can protect your kidneys for years to come. Habit 5. End your day with a magnesium-rich food or drink. Here's a habit almost everyone ignores. Magnesium supports your kidney's ability to filter waste, relax blood vessels, and prevent crystal buildup that leads to stones. Most people are magnesium deficient without knowing it, and this silently increases kidney stress. Foods like almonds, pumpkin seeds, dark leafy greens, or chamomile tea at night help you relax and support overnight detox. This nighttime habit strengthens your kidneys while you sleep and helps keep your filtration rate stable. Final note, these 5 daily habits, hydration, potassium foods, movement, reduced salt, and magnesium support, can transform your kidney health over time. Small changes done daily lead to powerful long-term results for cleaner, stronger kidneys. If you want more videos on kidney cleanse foods, natural remedies, detox meals, or Ayurvedic health tips, check out the next kidney boosting video on our channel.